आप भी टिकटॉक बनाते हैं, आप भी टिकटॉक की वीडियोस को अपलोड करने के लिए आपको जो है मैनेज नहीं हो पाता, तो आप मोबाइल से उसको अपलोड करने में आपको मुश्किल होती है। तो आज मैं आपके लिए जो वीडियो लेकर आया हूँ, तो हाउ टू अपलोड योर वीडियोस वाया डेस्कटॉप। Let's jump into a screen. So let me show you how you can upload your video.
So guys, so in this video we will gonna see how to upload your videos on TikTok via desktop PC or Windows. So you just need to log in your TikTok account on your Windows PC or your desktop. You are on a web page like tiktok.com/upload. You just need to click upload. Now here is the option here. You can select your videos. So this is the option. After logging in, you need to select your file. So here it is. You need to select your file. Select your file. Now it's uploading. And so now you need to select the caption or a title. You need to how to upload video on TikTok via desktop. So you have a several option here: view, public, friend, private. You have allowed these option, comment, dude, stitch. And you in desktop app you can schedule your videos, or you have a different schedule time. You can select your post schedule. You want to post your video on different dates, so you can select it. In your app you can schedule your videos, but in desktop you can schedule your video like this. So you can also check the run copyright. There is a copyright music check for that. So here it is. So that's how you just need to schedule. That's how you can schedule or you can upload. If you don't want to schedule or check, just post, just click post. Hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up.